Hey, sa ka fet guys, to kom te zi nou la, nou l'hopital la koun ya la. Ay, baby bwal va reveni treto. Se mi si 6 e konbien nan matin la. E pose sa pa telman tro prese. Sa se vant nan la. How we doing today, mommy?
Horrible.
Mommy di literally horrible. Ka kompon sa. This is my little bed. This is where I've been. You know. Konde. Wes nega fe ba yo kon sa la. How do you view this thing? Yeah, guys, as you guys can see, I'm pretty bit tired. Yeah, can't barely open my eyes. But we gotta do what we gotta do. It will soon be over. Pretty soon. Right, Jay?
I have a long process ahead of me.
Okay. Meanwhile, let me repose the car. Hey, let baby put because we still have a long way to go. Long way to go. So I keep you guys posted. Alright, guys. Ciao, ciao. Take care. Do it again, Lappy. Do it again. Do it. He was just moving, guys. Like, he was so happy to come and see the wall. But he stopped.
He's a shy baby.
Alright. Hey, sa ka fet anko avèk nou. E mde deja zi nou dap kebe nou poste de koman proses la bie. Bayo pa telman fasil, men avèk bon Dieu, tout bayo pa le smooth. So fa nou gen 2 jou la, so fa. But, très bientôt, petit McKenzie Carter a sorti très tôt. So, mde se bezen nou fè nou konen what's been going on. So, gade le kout, pasyante. Not video ka paret apre sa, lot pati an, se McKenzie pou paret. Yeah! Don't forget, subscribe and share. There's more to come. A place for Vini. Thank you, Shasha. He's actually here. Say hello, Mr. Mackenzie Carter. He very cute, we. He cute, menja papa.
Let's look at Kenzie.
Say hello, papi.
Hi, Carter.
Say hello, Mr. Carter.
Hi, Carter.
Bow.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks God for watching.